Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro today with 2007 Ford Falcon stock number 6693. This ran from the 10th 2005 to the 9th 2010. It has a 4 litre 6-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the BF 4 litre 6-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory mag tyre, left hand door mirror, left hand door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 2 dents, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6.6 stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,